Hey Dazzlers, welcome back to my channel. As always, I hope that you are safe and doing well. In today's video, I share with you a quick and simple wall decor DIY using items that were mostly from Dollar Tree. So if you're interested, then just keep watching. Before we get started, I wanted to send out a huge thank you to all of you who have went over and supported my new online glam boutique. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys so much. Now on to the video. I'm starting off with 3 of these Dollar Tree 10x10 wall plaques. I removed the white cardboard and the black metal tabs from the frame. Next, I used generous amounts of Gorilla Hot Glue to adhere all 3 of my frames together. I flipped my frames over and added some of these Dollar Tree craft sticks to the back of my design as well. Next, I'm adding some of these super cute Dollar Tree 9.5-inch wall mirrors. You could also use the round or the octagon mirrors for this project, but I've decided to use these because they have more of a unique look. These mirrors can be positioned to make a really fun design, but I've decided to use a combination of hot glue and a strong adhesive to adhere the mirrors straight down the center of my frames. I'll explain why a little bit later on in the video. You'll also notice that I used a small amount of the strong adhesive to connect all 4 of the wall mirrors together as well. Here, I'm cleaning my design up a bit by using an X-Acto knife to remove the excess hot glue. I quickly noticed that the center of my mirror does not actually touch the top of the frame, so I'm using craft sticks and hot glue to connect those sections together. This will definitely strengthen the design. This project requires quite a bit of hot glue, so I use a warm hairdryer to help melt away the glue strings. You can stop here. At this point, you have a super cute $8 wall decor piece, but I've decided to spray paint my design to better match my decor. I covered my mirrors with painter's tape, and then I took my design out to a well-ventilated area and gave it 2 coats of silver metallic spray paint. I've decided to add these white string lights that I picked up from Walmart for just under $4. The Dollar Tree does sell string lights. Those are the ones on the right. But I've decided to use the Walmart lights because they are a bit longer and they also have a on and off timer. Here, I'm fitting the wire through the back of the mirror frame. I then used hot glue to adhere the wires to the back of the mirrors. Arranging my mirror straight down the center of my frame makes it super easy for me to hide the wires behind all 4 of my frames. I made sure to add the hot glue to the wires and not the bulbs of my string lights. In hindsight, I should have placed the battery pack along the outside top of the frame instead of on the inside. This is where most of the weight is from the battery, so it would have made sense to place the battery pack there instead. Once my battery pack was attached with Velcro, I turned my design over it and added some of these super cute rhinestones that I picked up on sale from Joann's. The only thing left to do was to remove my painter's tape and clean my mirrors. And here's the finished look. I think that this week's project turned out beautiful. But what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. I would love to hear from you. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If so, please like, comment, and share. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and be sure to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss my next video. Remember, I upload new videos every single week. So until next time, Dazzlers, bye.